Oh, I'm excited to share this one with you all. We are making a green Thai curry with pumfu instead of tofu. Let's get it. You guys remember a little while back I did a video about pumfu and how it's a newer product, that it's essentially a pumpkin seed based tofu. Well, that's what we're going to use today for the curry, and it's going to be awesome. For the ingredients, we are using the pumfu, a can of baby corn, a can of coconut milk, 1 container of green curry paste, and 1 package of kaffir lime leaves. We start by heating up 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's add the green curry. In goes 1 cup of coconut milk that I've added a 1/4 cup of water to. Let's stir her up really good. Now I'm adding in the sliced red peppers. I've added in the baby corn. Now we go in with our shiitake mushrooms. Now it's time to start adding in the pumfu. Well, look at how gorgeous she is. When I bought the pumfu, I was scratching my head as to what I can make with it since it's green due to the pumpkin seeds. So I just said, I need to just do a green Thai curry. That would go perfect. But I'm going to tell you something, guys. You can easily do a red Thai curry as well if that's your thing, and you wouldn't know the difference. As you can see right here, the pumfu is not as dark green as I thought it was. It's actually kind of white, closer in resemblance to regular tofu. So you can easily put this in a red Thai curry as well if that's your thing. And I think you'll notice that it's a little more filling. The pumfu has 17 grams of protein. It's a lot more filling, a lot more satisfying, and I just loved it. This was an excellent dish. I know y'all gonna love it too. And here you have it, Pumfu Thai curry made by Veganchefleah. Love you guys.